this white one again. If I were to meet him in another queue, it would certainly be enough to cause me to EJ73HVH. That's quite a good example of why you got to be careful braking for amber lights. I'm glad they went around me. Of course I can do this quite legally, walk around